1145th Tree Talk, focused on a very new tree, almost lesser known in the Shivaliks of Jammu. While exploring the floristics and woods near Kappagala, Chowki Chora area, on way to Sundarbani, I spotted a tree beside the roadside on a stony cliff. It was medium-sized tree. Leaves looked like Cordia, but it was not Cordia dichotoma or Cordia obliqua, which we call Lasuda. In absence of flowers and fruits, it was difficult to pinpoint identity of the tree seen for the first time at Kappagala. I collected the twigs and they were shown to the people who were working in the nearby location. Village elders, on seeing that twig, could identify the tree. This was very satisfying. The local people had the local knowledge, they had the traditional wisdom to tell the true identity of the tree. They named the tree as Karangada. Few others even have the different pronunciation as Kalangada. The tree having the greenish grey bark exfoliating in woody pieces. Leaves were broad, obovate, roundish, scabrous above and tomentose beneath. The young twigs, they were woolly haired and it was later identified as Cordia vestita, lesser known tree, uncommon tree of Jammu Shivaliks, also reported to exist in the Ramnagar Manda wildlife sanctuary, but only few trees are seen and they are mostly growing in the ravines, shady ravines and the deep gullies. Even in Kappagala, Kalidhar forest as well as Ramnagar wildlife sanctuary area. The tree in Hindi is known as Badola or Barola. It is quite common in Saharanpur forests but rare in Dehradun area. While interacting with the locals, they told the wood is very hard. It is as hard as the wood of Olea ferruginea or Olea cuspidata. Locally we call cow or kawa. The way wood of cow wild olive is used for the agricultural implements, similarly the wood of Cordia vestita, Kalangada or Krangada is preferred for making the tool handles as the wood is very strong and durable. It is also used for furniture making. The flowers in case of Lasuda, Cordia dichotoma, they are white and they are found in lax clusters, whereas in case of Cordia vestita, the flowers are white yellow or pale yellow and they grow in compact clusters. The flowering clusters are compact as compared to Lasuda. Another distinguishing feature of Cordia vestita is the ribbed calyx. In case of Cordia dichotoma, Lasuda, calyx is not ribbed But in case of Cordia vestita, Kalangada or Krangada or Barola, the calyx is distinctly ribbed and tomentose. Uh, some of the locals they also confuse the Kalangada or Krangada Cordia vestita tree with chamrod, which is Aritia levis. So, how to distinguish the two trees? Aritia genus and Cordia genus, they are distinguished on the basis of branched style. Style is simple branched in case of Aritia, where it is a twice branched in case of Cordia. The genus Cordia, named in honor of a German physician botanist of 16th century, Bellerus Cordius. And we have 3-4 species in Jammu region. One is Cordia obliqua, another is Cordia mixa. Third one is Cordia goharaf, which has obovate leaves, and this is reported growing in the Nandini wildlife sanctuary. But the tree known as Cordia vestita or Krangada is rarely seen. In fact, it was first ever sighting by me while exploring the vegetation in the Kalidhar area. Uh, I was accompanied by Professor Botany Vijay Chandan, and it was on his insistence we went to that location in Kappagala with the hope we may find some new taxa. And it was really amazing. And what a coincidence! We got a new tree. At least we were not having any idea about the existence of Cordia vestita in Jammu Hills. Although the flora of Jammu and plants of neighborhood, that exhaustive taxonomical work undertaken by Dr. Brejmohan Sharma of Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, then called Regional Research Laboratory, has shown its existence in Ramnagar along the Tavi Ved area, but this was new find for the tree talk participants. The tree Cordia vestita, Klangada or Krangada in Hindi.